When Tools Vanish, Playlist 2, Episode 6, the finale. Same tools, different gates. You configured an MCP server. Yesterday it worked. Today, same editor, same server, nothing fires. Did the MCP server break? No, you're just in a different mode. Most AI editors don't have one mode. They have several: ask mode, edit mode, agent mode, 3 permission levels in the same editor. In ask mode, the model reads your codebase but cannot touch it. Read only, no edits, no terminal, no MCP tools. The gate is closed on almost everything. In edit mode, the model changes files but only with your approval on every diff. Still no terminal, still no MCP tools. 1 more door open, 2 still locked. In agent mode, the gate's open. Read, edit, run terminal commands, call MCP tools. This is why your GitHub MCP tool vanished earlier. The mode you were in didn't have it switched on. Same editor, same MCP server, same model. The only thing that changed is which capabilities the current mode allows. The tool didn't break, the gate was closed. Part 2. Why editors gate differently. 3 philosophies. Pick yours. Different editors gate tools differently, and that difference reveals each one's philosophy. VS Code locks MCP to agent mode. Cursor exposes MCP everywhere. Claude Code exposes MCP everywhere too, but gates with a plan approval step. VS Code's bet: tools should be opt-in. You explicitly switch into agent mode when you want power. Maximum safety by default. Cursor's bet is opposite. Tools always available. The model decides when to use them. Maximum power by default, less friction, more trust required. Claude Code splits the difference. Tools are available, but the agent must show you its plan before it runs them. Power available, supervision deferred to the plan step. Same capabilities, 3 different places where the editor draws the safety line. The capability is universal. The gate is a design choice, and the gate tells you what each tool prioritizes. Next time you pick a coding agent, ask the right question. Not, is this AI more capable? The MCP layer is the same everywhere. Ask, where does this editor place the gate? That determines how your day with the tool actually feels. 6 episodes, 1 mental model. Tool calls are text the model emits. MCP is the universal protocol. Agent loops run when 1 call isn't enough. MCP apps return interfaces, and modes decide when any of it is allowed to fire. Same tools, different gates. The gate is the philosophy. Playlist 2 complete. Next playlist, the hidden cost of AI coding, tokens, context, and limits. Subscribe, we crack open every bone.